form a political point. Today, our first point is this. In a democracy, any group of citizens is free to form a political party. Means in that country, in which country there is democracy, in that country a group of citizens are very free to make their one political party. Now the second point is the political party systems. There are three political party systems. The first system is single party system, second system is bi-party system, and the third system is multi-party system. You know in India which party system is there? Tell me in the comment. The first party system, single party system. Single party system means only one party is allowed to control and run government. The example of country is China. Single party system means in the country there only one single party will be allowed to control and run the government. No other parties will be formed. Only one party will rule for forever. And this and the country China is following the single party system. This party system is against the principle of democracy. Yes, in democracy all are free to form their political party, but in China in single party system only one party can rule, so it is against the principle of democracy. The second is bi-party system. Under this party system, political power usually change between two main parties. Example of country are USA and UK. In bi-party, only two main parties are there which will change for the ruling government. The example is USA and UK. In USA there is only two parties, Republic Democratic Party and Independent Democratic Party. Multi-party system. It is a system in which more than two parties function and several parties has changed to commoning too. In multi-party system, many parties can elect and many parties can elect. The advantages of multi-party system are wider choice to voter. Wider choice to voter means if there are many parties will there, the voters can choose their own. Voters has many variety of choice to choose their representative. Representation to all section of society. All have to represent it to all section society. These are the two advantages of multi-party system. Disadvantage of multi-party system: formation of coalition government sometimes lead to political instability. Now the points are: no political party system is ideal for the country and in all situation. They are telling that no political party system is ideal फॉर ऑल द कंट्री. मतलब वो बोलना चाहते हैं कि कौन से भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के सिस्टम कभी भी खाली नहीं बैठे रहते कौन से भी कंट्री के लिए, कौन से भी सिचुएशन के लिए. अब मैंने आपको पहले एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था. आई हैव आस्क्ड यू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन इंडिया विच पार्टी सिस्टम इज़ देयर. नाउ दिस इज द पॉइंट. इंडिया इज इवॉल्व अ मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम ड्यू टू its social and geographic diversity. India is evolved by multi-party system because in India is very bigger by geographically diversity and socially also. We cannot, third point, we cannot tell that which system is good for a country. हम बिल्कुल नहीं बता सकते कौन सा सिस्टम कौन से कंट्री के लिए अच्छा है. ऐसा भी नहीं बता सकते कि हाँ मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम सारे कंट्री के लिए अच्छा है, ऐसा हम नहीं बता सकते. सो थैंक यू.